We'll walk this way because it's so smoky. It's fine. I can cut them out anyway. Come on. Just hold it down here. We're just gonna both walk. She wants to drink her coffee, you're gonna have to go that way. Yep, you have to come this way, she's drinking her coffee. Well, I'm sure they're not going to be here the whole time.
The lady in the dress keeps telling me to come over here and going like this.
Oh.
She's like, come here and like, what is she doing? What was she saying to you?
I don't know. She's like, something like did that same thing to me.
Yeah, she keeps going like this and she's telling me come here. I'm like, you're freaking nuts.
She watching?
I don't know what the heck she's doing. Some seance to the ocean or something?
Probably. Funny.
What's she doing? You walked by.
She's like making a bunch of weird noises and like dancing to the ocean.
That's what I mean. I don't really want to walk around people like that.
I know.
Why is she telling us to come over there? No. What? He's telling me to come over here and like doing weird hand things.
I don't know.
What did she say to you?
Nothing.
Nothing in English?
No.
That's what I mean. I'm like, she came right up to you and said something.
Yeah.
And you answered.
No. I said, I was like, what? I don't know what they were saying. I don't know. Weirdo. Maybe they need help. She's not going to come over. You're going to have to go there. She thinks you're a complete nut bar, so. This way. I don't know, pointing at something out there. It's because it is your mom. We're out here. She's
my mom. We've been working on this for a long time, Shayna.
What is going on? She's going to but I'm like, I didn't even look.
She didn't even want to go over there because she's like, what's with those crazy
I
people?
love it. That's why I was going like, that's hilarious. Did you do okay?
Yeah. Too good because she didn't even want to go near you.
No, because I bought my sunglasses, so I knew that.
All right, so as you can see in the video, success. Shayna thought her mom was a complete nut bar, which the vote is out on that one.
That's a good job. It's very natural.
Yeah. So yeah, they made it here safely, and we're gonna have 3 weeks to spend touring around, show them around, and try and sell Toby on a condo.
The time that's not doing it first try. Sometimes they miss.
Sometimes, yeah, because they can't get it every time, right? So no homework at all?
Yes.
Lakai, do you?
No.
Okay. No. Where are you going, Lakai? Oh.
What are you guys doing?
We're playing games.
Oh.
Look, remember these?
Who's that? What? What is that? What are those?
Hi.
You like me right away? Just for the sound.
Where's my gift? Look, hi. Look, hi. Are you surprised or what? Hi, honey. Hi. Good to see you. Isn't this a cool surprise? Good to see you. Thursday or
Whatever day it is.
Look what I brought. How could you tell it was us? Did you miss your
I don't know, by your hair? Yeah.
Oh, did you see the hair?
Yeah.
And did you see the cups?
Yeah.
Yeah.